So QCC started off just basically selling cables, computer cables, out of the back of the founder's car. Over time, we've actually developed our manufacturing facility. So we still sell pre-made cables, and that's pretty easy to do. But we also can make just about any low voltage cable that's on the market as well. So in general, what happens in an automotive company that's providing, let's say, a caravan, they start off small and they have a small staff, and those staff know how to do a lot of things in their production line. It doesn't make a lot of sense for the person who's designed, say, that wiring harness, who's probably got engineering expertise, to be the one fitting and making that wiring harness for 10 machines. Where QCC comes into it is that that's the stuff that we do every day.
When we started our initial fabrication, we would often spend 6 to 8 weeks trying to work out the electrical system. So 6 to 8 weeks on delivery of a cab or a chassis where everything was measured, there was no standardisation in what we did. Everything was effectively bespoke. That's no way to build both a reliable machine nor be able to move in just any sort of mass production. So the difference being, we've now gone from 6 to 8 weeks to now we're able to measure that in days. And because of the drive that we've had from QCC to standardise what we do, make sure everything is identified in advance, we can have all of that work, all of those looms produced in advance. And then when it comes to installation, very, very fast.
Phibion were looking to really ramp up. They needed to produce more than 1 or 2 machines a year. And they were looking to scale up their production to 1 every 2 weeks. And I guess we started on that journey with them. We are now at that point where we can do 1 machine every 2 weeks. We've got all the right tools and the right equipment and the right personnel to actually get these done faster and in a more efficient manner.
So you see the cab that's sitting on the machine now, that only arrived here 3 days ago. Completely bare, no wiring on the door, nothing. Cab arrived, we had QCC in the cab within about 20 minutes, and yesterday lunchtime that was placed on the machine, already around 60% complete. Now that's on the machine, we've got the QCC guys up there now doing the final connections, connecting the looms that are on the chassis to the looms that are in the cab. We'll have this machine operational this afternoon.
We employ people and we train them specifically to actually build wiring harnesses. Because we train them in a certain way, they're much faster at it. They're using all of the right tools all of the time. This is stuff that they do every single day, so the quality is much better. And if you're doing something in a production line, then the actual quality or the product is the same every time they do it, so you can depend on it.